What do you think of this cabinet?
It's just normal cabinet. Why?
I don't know, it just feels like something is missing.
Like what?
You know that feeling like when something just doesn't feel complete.
Okay.
Yeah, let me see what I can do. Now I'm gonna show you how to DIY cabinet makeover with this customized frame, which made with this incredible desktop CO2 laser machine xTool P2. Besides P2, you also need to prepare automatic conveyor feeder and paint, painting tools, laptop, and 94 by 20 inches long plywood. Hello! Now I'm gonna use this 94 inches long, as long as you want plywood, to laser cut 2 parts of the frame. Okay, let's just place this one onto the automatic conveyor feeder. Firstly, place the plywood onto the rails. And then turn the upper knob counterclockwise to raise the pinch roller. And insert the wood. And make sure all the rollers are fully on the surface, not half of it or part of it, because in that case, the movement will be offset. And then turn the knob to press the roller until you see the yellow color with the black color line in the middle. So that's tight enough to get in. And you can check the pressure level form in your user menu. Just find your material and the thickness, and you know how much pressure you need. And open the lid. And to ensure the edge of the plywood is aligned with the white line on the top, so that your material will parallel to the rails. And close the lid. And turn the bottom knob to see if the material can slide in. Yeah, you see it's working. And put them back. Make sure it's also aligned with the white line inside, okay? That's it. Alright, the machine is set up, and before the laser cutting process, just remember to measure your cabinet and design the right preparation of your pattern which matches your cabinet. Okay, now let's move over to our software xTool Creative Space. Let's go to the project center and find this amazing furniture decoration project. And this time, we connect our xTool P2 with Wi-Fi. There you go. And refresh it, and we're gonna choose the conveyor feeder mode. And we're gonna slide the pattern. We're gonna choose the cut and manual setting. We're gonna set the power at 100%. We're gonna run at 20 millimeters per second for only 1 pass. And here's something I like to highlight. We need to set up the tabs, which is the breaking spot, and the tab's gonna help you to keep the negative parts from falling off during the cutting process, because the falling debris probably will get stuck in the movement of the feeder. And when you finish, you can just easily push them off. So we're gonna set the size at like 0.5 millimeter, and we're gonna cut like 4 tabs for each individual pattern, and the power as well, because sometimes the materials are a little bit thicker and harder, so we need to cut through the tabs a little bit to avoid being too difficult to buckle off after. And let's drag the pattern a little bit up. Okay, let's zoom in. And just make sure the pattern is right in the area where you want to laser cut. Don't beyond the line. And remember to keep a little bit space between your pattern to the edge. Okay, next step, we're gonna set a focus. We're gonna use the auto measure function. Just click this icon. And you can put your mouse at any spot on this plywood. You probably hear the sound, the laser module is moving. Yeah, alright. Let's hit the process. Hit the process again. And push the button on the surface of your machine, and then it gets start working. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We got so many tutorials for you to learn how to make home decors. I mean, it's really, really beautiful. Look at this. Oh my God. And if you really look into it, you're gonna see the tabs on the line, on all lines of each pattern. So because we're gonna push off all the negative parts through those tabs, that's why we set up the tabs, okay? Alright, let me just push off all the negative parts. It's time for us to paint it. We're gonna choose the white color, but you can choose any color you like, okay? Wow, it's such an exquisite work, isn't it? You can do all the furniture makeover with this amazing xTool CO2 laser machine, xTool P2, to fresh your apartment. And please share your makeover ideas in the comments. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you next time. Exactly, I feel whole now.